Figma UX UI Design Service Review, Watch Before Using. In this video, we'll dive deep into Figma, one of the leading UX UI design tools on the market. If you're considering using Figma, make sure to check the links to the product in the description below for easy access. Figma stands out due to its collaborative capabilities, enabling real-time feedback and co-editing. This feature is a game changer for teams, making it easy to share ideas and iterate designs without the typical delays associated with feedback loops. Another notable feature is its design systems and components, which allow for consistency across projects and faster design iterations. Figma is designed for everyone, from freelancers to large teams. So whether you're an independent designer looking to streamline your workflow or part of an enterprise needing robust design solutions, Figma adapts to your needs. Its cloud-based nature means you can work from anywhere, which is essential for remote teams. Additionally, the plugin ecosystem in Figma is extensive, providing a variety of tools that can enhance your workflow, from accessibility checkers to advanced design systems. One of the most appealing aspects is the free tier, which offers a substantial amount of features to get you started without any financial commitment. However, it's worth noting that the Pro and Organization plans unlock advanced features like version history and team libraries, which are invaluable for larger projects. In conclusion, Figma is an excellent choice for both novice and seasoned designers alike, providing the flexibility, features, and collaboration tools needed in today's fast-paced design environment. If you found this review helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us continue to share valuable insights and resources to help others learn and grow in the design field. Thank you for watching.